In our last video, we traveled over 30 hours from Bali, Indonesia to San Diego, California, crossed the border into Tijuana, Mexico, rented a car, and drove an hour and a half to Ensenada, Mexico, where we'll be teaching and exploring for the next 2 weeks. Ensenada is a port town off the coast of Baja California, a popular port among cruises and an easy day trip from San Diego. It has a thriving food scene, quickly growing craft beer culture, but most famous for its vast number of wineries. Before heading back to our hometown of El Paso to visit family before our next big adventure, we decided to take advantage of Ensenada's close proximity to San Diego. And of course it had Joanne at wine. So we'll be taking the next 2 weeks teaching VIP Kid and exploring Ensenada and its surrounding areas.
Good morning, guys. So we have been up for the past about 3 hours already. We woke up at 4:30 a.m. to teach a couple classes, and now we are about to go adventure on. So we will be in Ensenada, Mexico, in Baja California for about 2 weeks, exactly 15 days. So we need to get our life situated. So we got our SIM card last night. Super easy process. Bam, then send. So you literally roll up to a corner store, buy a SIM card, ask them to activate it. So you do need to ask them, ¿me lo puedes activar, por favor? Simple. And it's an extra 50 pesos to activate it. Bam, wham, thank you, ma'am. Just put it in your phone and you're ready to go. So we got that last night, but we need to stock our fridge and probably buy a couple things and kind of compare prices to what we paid for stuff in Indonesia, and yep. And then actually start with some coffee, and we need to buy coffee for this place. So we will take you along our day today and just kind of get settled here in Ensenada and have some food. Food's always good. What else? And when we come back, we will finally show you our Airbnb, which is so far great. Our clothes has exploded in there, so we need to clean it up a bit. But yeah, this place is so nice. I mean, look at this hammock. And let's get started on our day. Come on, guys, let's go. I need to open it with a key. Open my ride. It's not Folgers, but having a dog when you wake up. We need a puppy. Guys, so first things first, of course, we need to get ourselves some coffee. So there's this little stand on the side of the road. It's restaurant slash stall. Super cool. Just drive up, order your coffee, and you can choose to sit down here or take it. But I think we might sit down and enjoy a little coffee here. But they have a nice little menu, and they have a full cafe espresso machine over here. It's legit. Look at their full selection of flavorings.
¿Tu café te gusta con un café ligero, medio o fuerte? Fuerte. Fuerte.
Sí.
Y
Fuerte.
Fuerte también. Le vas a agregar azúcar.
No, sin azúcar.
Sin azúcar.
¿Y qué tan caliente? ¿Muy caliente? ¿Medio?
Medio. No, para él.
Medio.
Oh, okay.
Sí.
Well, you like your hot coffee.
buenos días.
Guys, and their attention to detail here is so awesome. They literally ask you what kind of roast do you want, how hot do you want your coffee, do you like it strong? Super great. So, yeah, guys, this place is cool. First experience so far with Ensenada, and we're loving it. Absolutely loving it. It's great. Bother me. Just kidding. I can get out of this thing. Alright guys, so as promised, we're going to give you a little tour of our Airbnb. I mean, first of all, look at how cute it is. Have a little morning coffee when we buy our coffee. So it's a 2-story house. The bottom level is the Airbnb that we rented, and the hosts actually live upstairs. We met them when we first arrived, just quick hi. They seem super nice, really lovely couple, and super attentive, have been great at responding super quickly. They have an adorable little dog that we got to meet earlier. He's so cute, so happy. Get an Airbnb that comes with a dog, guys. Awesome. Let's go ahead and walk inside. Come on. Please take your shoes off at the door. Just kidding, you don't have to, but you know, it's nice to have clean floors. But welcome to our home away from home. It's such a lovely place. Look at how comfy and cozy it is. Ugh. Again, we looked for an Airbnb that fit the requirements that we needed to be teaching. So 2 bedrooms, fast internet, fully functional kitchen. Basically, that's it. That's what we needed in a place. And this place is super cute, very affordable. I think if we wanted, we just checked online, if we wanted to rent this place out for a complete month, it would have been like $550. How insane is that? 2-bedroom apartment, yes. Take a look around. We have our living room, kitchen. I mean, look at the colors. Functioning everything. Dining area, which we need to actually take advantage of. We have a very bad tendency of never actually sitting down at a table to eat. We sit on couches, which is not good. We got our bathroom, all the necessities in there, shower, toilet, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, Javier's classroom, that's where he taught his classes today. I taught mine over there on that couch. And then we have our second bedroom, come on. And look at how awesome this patio area. Okay. Qué suavecito, sentaditos aquí, mira. We'll come have a beer out here later today.
With the festive lights on.
Yeah, so this is our home away from home, guys.
For 2 weeks, just working in the mornings, exploring during the day.
We're excited to really explore Ensenada. We will definitely show you guys our wine tour and anything we feel that's really gonna show you how great Ensenada has been to us or will be to us. Because so far, just getting coffee, the people are so nice. Everything here has just been so wonderful so far, and this is day 1. So we're really excited to just share with you guys as much of it as we can. But let's go ahead and get started. We can't sit on our couch all day. Let's go, guys. All right.
We just got to Rinconcito Oaxaqueño, and this place was actually recommended by our Airbnb host. So thanks for that, Andrea. So colorful, free chips and salsa. Oh my God.
Our kind of place.
So what did you get?
Okay, so I got mole rojo. So it's mole, but the spicier version, because there's a mole rojo, there's a mole negro, black or red. So I went with the red one, which looks like the mole that I'm used to. Comes with some rice, viene con pollo. So pollo, chicken. It can be pollo or puerco, so you can choose chicken or pork. So I went with chicken. That's the mole that I've been brought up on, is chicken mole. So I want some good old chicken mole right now. Comes with some beans, rice, and yummy deliciousness. Okay. Oh my God, look at that chicken. I'm just gonna try it. That is so good. Oh my God, your food's ready here too.
Yes. Wow.
Tortillas?
Sí. Gracias. Oh my God.
That's a massive
Huge portion.
my god.
So I got the costillas de puerco, the pork ribs, smothered in mole sauce, which is what she recommended. I asked her, what do you recommend? And she's like, I can do pork ribs smothered in mole sauce. And I'm like, oh, that sounds good. I'm so excited. Let's see. I don't even know where to start. They're ribs, so there's bone. I'm just gonna take a bite. Oh my god. So good. This mole reminds me of what my abuelita Ellie used to make, straight up. Really, really good. The black mole is sweeter than the red mole. But I always thought mole was typically sweet anyway.
Like
it's
chocolatey.
made with chocolate, yeah.
All right.
Definitely get a half portion. Who am I kidding? Get the full portion. Just power through. So good.
I tried to eat as much as I could. It was so good. But definitely huge portions. Get your money's worth here, that's for sure. And it's super affordable. Alright guys, we're done. This place was such a nice find. Thank you so much, Andrea, for telling us about this place. So nice. So we're actually gonna make our way to a cafe and do a little bit of work, so you don't need to see that. But we are gonna take you along with us when we get to the grocery store and when we go catch that sunset. So for now, we'll see you in a bit, guys. Vamonos. All right, guys, so we just finished working at this really cute cafe called Cafe Van Gogh. They had a bunch of Van Goghs all over the place. Really cute setup. The decor was super nice. Really great coffee, and they had the cutest little dog ever. And now we're gonna actually grab some groceries here at this grocery store. We're at this place called Maria Luisa. It's a local supermarket. We actually asked our Airbnb host if she recommended a specific grocery store that we could go to. She said there is a Walmart in the area, but this place is more local and they're supposed to have a lot more variety and more options. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check it out, grab some groceries so we can stock our fridge a little, and then we'll show you what we haul. Kind of just give you a rough idea of cost of living, I guess. Okay, so let's go. Come on. Guys, almond milk, 42 Mexican pesos, which translates to about 14 RMB, which is Chinese currency, and we used to pay 42 RMB for almond milk. And in Indonesia, we bought this for 70,000. Crazy price difference. So we're super excited. Heck yeah. We're gonna live here forever, guys. Super simple, basic haul. Just to give you a little bit of perspective, we did look online and it said that shopping in grocery stores was slightly cheaper, and so far it's true. So yeah, definitely cheaper to get almond milk here, Greek yogurt, everything, eggs, strawberries, everything is significantly cheaper here in Ensenada, which is awesome. So we paid a total of about $29 US for all of this, which I think is pretty good because Javi had finally got himself some dry rub deodorant. Yeah, so we just went ahead and got some basic things. I mean, Greek yogurt is generally more expensive. Coffee, eggs, solid haul. So we're gonna go ahead and put this away, and then we're gonna go head out to catch sunset. So let's go. All right. Ugh. 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 Thanks for helping me, Javier. 6:30. Uber. We are on our way to get some food. There's this place near our Airbnb that we have been eyeing since the first, well, we've only been here one day, but we've been eyeing it since last night. When we drove in, we saw this place was like bumping at like 9 or 10 o'clock at night. Whenever we got in, there was like a crowd and they had pastor on a stick. And if you don't know what pastor is, it's like the best taco meat in the world. So we're gonna go have ourselves some tacos. Hopefully they have some beers there so we can continue on with the party, but not too late because we have classes in the morning. But yeah, we're en route with our Uber, being responsible about drinking here in Mexico, you know? So we'll see you guys in a few. Bye. Oh my gosh, yes.
Oh, sí, cómo no, doctora. Solamente vienes acá, por favor. ¡Ya basta de flashar! ¡Vas a causar un cáncer al desayuno! Jamás lo he lastimado. Tenemos que clausurar. ¿Has lastimado? ¿Cuántas veces le has flashado, señor?
This was super cheap, by the way. For all these tacos, 87.
About $4.
Yeah, and these 2 beers I got at the 7-Eleven cost like $1.60 for both of them. It's like ridiculous.
So we're having a $6 meal right now, maybe $7 meal.
Yeah. So our food is actually getting cold right now. So we're gonna put the camera away, enjoy the rest of our food, and we're gonna call it a vlog. If you enjoyed our vlog, give it a like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.